Hey everyone, and welcome to Cooking Incognito. Today I'm going to be making a yummy Memorial Day s'mores treat. So if you're ready, then let's jump into this video. So you're going to need some marshmallows. I couldn't find red, so I have pink, some Hershey bars, some white marshmallows, some blue star marshmallows, and some graham crackers. And you can get all of this at Kroger. All right, so let's get started. So you're gonna need a 10-inch cast iron skillet. So make sure that you have a 10-inch. I mean, if you want to go smaller, that's up to you, but I'm using a 10-inch skillet. You're gonna melt 1 tablespoon of butter before we start and put that at the bottom of your pan. And then you're gonna go ahead and just make sure that you coat the bottom of your pan with this melted butter. All right, so now we're going to start covering the bottom of our pan with our Hershey's. I'm going to go ahead and just break them up into singles and just spread them out all over the bottom of the pan. Now it's time for our marshmallows. Yummy. So we're going to start with our white marshmallows. And we're just going to be making like a line going across the pan. We're going to make sure we leave a little bit of space on the side for our stars. So we're going to start with the white, and then we're going to do the pink, and then the white, and then the pink until we cover the whole bottom and middle of our pan. Alrighty, now that we are finished, we're going to go ahead and start putting our blue stars in the little corner. This looks awesome, guys. Oh my gosh. So go ahead and put it in the oven on 350 for about 5 to 7 minutes. Please check it. And it's going to come out looking nice and toasty. And now we're going to try it. It's just normal s'mores, but s'mores are always delicious no matter how you make them, no matter what color the marshmallows are. So enjoy. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more yummy videos.